Just like he married 16,000 wives. When he married, he was one. And 16,000 girls offered, surrendered to Krishna, that we are now kidnapped. If we go home, nobody will marry us. That is a strict Vedic system. If an unmarried girl goes out of home, even for one night, nobody will marry. So, this is the old system. All these 16,000 girls. So they prayed to Krishna, and Krishna came, killed the Bhaumasura, deliver all the girls. So, when Krishna asked them, now you can safely go to your father's house, they replied, Sir, if we go back to our father's house, what will be our fate? Nobody will marry us. Because this man, this Raksasa, they kidnapped us. Then, what do you want? Do you want that you become our husband? So Krishna is so kind. Yes, immediately accept. That is Krishna. Now, when they were brought at home, not that 16,000 wives will have to wait for 16,000 nights to meet Krishna. Krishna expanded himself into 16,000 forms, constructed 16,000 palaces and establishments. And each palace, this description is there in there. That is Bhagavan. So those rascals, they cannot understand. They criticize Krishna that he was very lusty. He married 16,000 wives. Even if he is lusty, he is unlimitedly lusty. Because he is unlimited. Why 16,000? If you would marry 16 millions of wives, still it is imperfect. That is Krishna. So for Krishna, there is no such thing that you can accuse Krishna as lusty, sensuous. No. He showed favor to all these devotees. There are so many devotees of Krishna. Some devotees asking Krishna to become her husband. Some devotees asking Krishna to become his friend. Some devotees asking Krishna to become his son. And some devotees asking to become his playmate. In this way, millions and trillions of devotees are there all over the universe. And Krishna has to satisfy them all. He does not require any help from the devotees. But as the devotees want, so the 16,000 devotees wanted Krishna as their husband. Krishna agreed. And that is just like common man. But as God, he expanded himself to 16,000 forms. So Narad came to see Krishna has married 16,000 wives. How he is dealing with them, let me see. When he came here, he saw in 16,000 palaces, Krishna is acting differently. And somewhere he is talking with his wife, somewhere he is playing with his children, somewhere he is getting marriage ceremony of his sons and daughters. So many 16,000 ways he is doing.